Aki?
KON.
What? Wait, what? Today we are reacting to Chainsaw Man episode 4. If you're looking for the full uncut and early access reactions, all of season 1 and the YAAYY film is currently up on my Patreon. Check out my description below. But anyway, let's just jump straight in. Power really do be a freak, but a likable freak. I mean, at least she's not eating humans, right? Oh no. God. Meowie. Oh, sound so malnourished. No, being held hostage. Oh, you're attached. Very valid. It really shows how humane devils can be. Oh, the power of pets. Oh, they reunited. Oh, yes! Go on, Denji! They're all okay. Stupid boy. Not wrong. Wow. Look at all the bloodshed. Oh. Oh, right. It's the drawbacks. Oh. Wait. Oh, shit, never mind. I thought it was because he was using too much power. Oh my god. Huh? Freaking back to back, huh? Oh my god. Got like udders. What the hell? Does he have enough blood? Oh no. Oh. No, he's gonna be too weak. This thing looks strong. Oh. Wow. He's not gonna let that fly. He needs boobs. Okay. God, why are they all so huge? Oh. No, this is going to be hard for him. He's just fought as well. Oh, he's still very rapid. Oh, I hope someone comes. Yep. He's determined. Go on, Denji. Oh, I don't like this. Oh my god, he's still super strong. Oh no. Dude, it really shows how psychopathic she is. She doesn't even seem that bothered that he's gone. His dream is still a dream. Boom! Oh, he's gonna lose. There's no way. Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh. Oh man, if he was at full power, she would have died. Go on, Denji. Oh my god, they're both crazy. Oh, I see what you're doing. A little 80-80 action. Okay. Never mind. Oh. Oh, He's still going. He's insanely strong. How is he not dead? I love the chainsaw rev. Oh, no shot. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Haki?
KON.
Oh, wait, what?
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。
What the? Yo, his devil sounds sick. What the fuck? They're all here.
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取。猫は動物病院で健康状態の確認。
Oh, go on, Aki. What a freaking entrance, no? My God, a classic freaking KON. That was insane. He controls a devil as well. So it seems that everyone in this agency can do that. But my God, his was freaking huge. And she could fully converse with him, which is crazy. You can also tell how strong he is because his devil was very respectful with him and double checked whether it was okay for her to consume Leech Devil before actually doing it. So there's clearly a huge amount of respect there for Aki. Oh, he's cutting up little apples for him. What the hell?
お前の腕拾っておいたぞ。鬼悪魔みたいなやつだな。てめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。俺は見てたぜ。デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。
Right, yeah, okay. That makes
俺は狐
sense.
の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回
Oh.
は皮膚を食わした。痛そう。
Oh.
悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も同じだ。パワーはいいやつだぜ。
Oh.
監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されている。お前、血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。
Uh-oh.
理由はわからないが、お前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。
Oh no, she's gonna be in trouble.
どうでしたかな。
This is what I mean. Denji doesn't hold grudges. He's gonna defend her.
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、
Yes!
お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺の車を投げたんだ。チェンソーが頭に刺さった。
Contrast of opinions there.
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば、血の魔人もそれをかばったお前も処分される。だが死者も出なかったし、お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら、今回は見逃してやる。俺の言うことを聞いていれば、お前は今の生活を守れるぜ。
They've got a little contract going on, I guess.
どうだ、分かったら返事。
おう、頭に入れといてやら。しょぼい夢しかねえけど、てめえと同じぐらい。俺、マジでやっからさ。ど
Fair enough.
ーんと期待しといてくれ。
とりあえず、敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
Can tease. Maybe. To be fair to Aki, he bothered to cut the apples into little bunny shapes, so he clearly can be compassionate at times.
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。
慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
Damn. What a cold-hearted guy. But also it shows he's probably gone through a lot to really detest devils and fiends. He does like her. She always looks so smug, man.
またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
John.
ご苦労様。でも、デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったん。
奴ら
Uh-oh.
は信じがたいほどのバカですから。
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
Fair enough. Now, is he doing that to save their asses or to save his?
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった。デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
何も変わってないですよ。
She knows. She's getting in his head. Man's probably wakes up at like 3 p.m. Day in the life of Aki. It's quite relaxing, actually. Bit of ASMR. Very meticulous guy, you know? He's got a set morning routine going on. Man, Mappa animation is just unmatched. Sound design is beautiful. Oh, there he is. He's like the housewife.
昼飯何
Oh,
やりんだよ悪魔か
is he crawling like a dog? Oh, bloody power.
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。
What?
君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
Oh my god, poor Aki.
ずっと
Blushing.
心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって言ってたから
Oh
大
my
丈夫だよ。
god.
野菜は嫌いじゃん。
Oh,
野菜を投げるな。
てめえ
this is
野
chaos.
菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ悪魔
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。
くせえんだよ
風呂
Ugh.
はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。
くせえんだよ
ちゃうなら
Very valid reaction. Oh my god, what a freak. Literally the worst nightmare when it comes to roommates, my god.
くそも流せねえのか
Oh no, he has to clean it up.
おいクソ悪魔てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ
Oh,
あ
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから揉め。
oh. Oh my god.
俺どうした。
Oh, physics, crazy.
じゃが条件がある。胸を揉んでいい回数は3本。
3.
胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃが、うぬの頑張りに報いての3揉み。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
She looks so smug. Bloody Denji, man. I love how he always completely 180s. Like initially he was like, I detest you. You're actually a literal devil coming in here creating havoc. And now as soon as she mentions the he's like, okay. And he just turns back into a dog. It's absolutely hilarious, for God's sake. Also, her sitting on the toilet is like a throne, you know? She's like, I've got power over you temporarily. So their dynamic is going to be hilarious moving forward, I can tell. And the most infuriating thing about all of this is the amount of power that Makima has over everyone. She has all of them under her thumb through different means. There's different dynamics going on, but I don't like just how much superiority she has over them.